Well, hello everyone. I'm back. The new, proud American conservative, yes, with more important info not too many of you can stomach. So Yelp, the app that you can put in the rating for restaurants, etc., reported 41% of business restaurant closures since March due to COVID mandatory shutdown. 41% are not going to reopen. Now, I just want to make sure, I hope everyone understands that there is a reason for this, not just COVID. A lot of restaurants were hurting before COVID even showed up. The restaurant business is a very tough business. You got this 90-10% rule ratio where 30% goes for your workers, 30% for the rent, 30% for food, and you got 10%. A lot of businesses have the same ratio, but restaurant business is known for this. So there is not much margin here, not much room for error. A lot of these restaurants could not make it through 2 weeks of shutdowns, let alone 2 months. So this is all unfortunately deliberate to make the gap wider and wider between the ultra rich and poverty, because now middle class is being pushed into poverty more and more and more. People are being dependent on the government. They don't mind stimulus checks coming in, making more money by staying home. A lot of people think this is going to be permanent. They're just not understanding how sick this whole thing is, and it's not looking any better. I just don't see any bright news here when it comes to small businesses to make it. I just don't. But I do see opportunities elsewhere, like in the stock market still, believe it or not. I don't suggest you to do what I'm doing, but I am telling you my method of in and out procedure. If you've been listening to me, if you followed my blog and certain stocks I pick with coming in and out pretty quickly, how you can profit and then use 20, 10, 20, 30, depending how you look at the entire situation of profits into real money like gold and silver. It's how you preserve wealth. So I did not close my position AMPY today at $1.30. It went up a little bit just because the market did this crazy move, and it might get a lot more juicier tomorrow. If the stock drops, I might cost average here, meaning add a little more for AMPY. But I'll see what I'll do, just because the weekend is coming up. I would hate to get stuck with this one. So I will keep you posted. But I do like this Brazilian stock. It's CIG.C, CIG. It made a really big splash this week, jumped 300-something%. Yes, you heard that correctly. And then it got slammed down, so I bought that huge dip. And I believe it got more room now to go down before it shoots up again. So I will get into that one if it drops under $2. That's my play. And if I get stuck with this one, it's okay. I mean, this stock seems a lot better than AMPY if you hold it. That's just my personal opinion. And it also pays, I believe, 6% dividend yield, 6%. So that's my play for right now coming up. God bless you all. I will make my video tomorrow around 1 o'clock Eastern, and I will tell you what I'm doing with AMPY and CIG. CIG.C, there is two of them. This CIG.C is where it gets tricky and interesting, and we'll see what we can do. So remember, if you don't want to speculate in the market, keep it super simple. KISS. If you have $1,200 to your name, you're hurting anyways by $200 worth of physical silver. You can get about 9 ounces for that amount. 0.999. That's all you need to see. Don't worry what it's on it. 0.999. Pure silver. Preserve wealth. Take care. And again, God bless you all. We'll talk tomorrow.